6 days ago, I made this video about how you can start dropshipping from CJ Dropshipping to eBay, and people seem to like it. So that's why I am making a longer video, like a longer version of this video, so that I can show you guys step by step on how you can start this business from scratch. So all you have to do, guys, you want to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistake in this process. Let's get started right now. I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. So as you can see here, guys, this is my new eBay account. As you can see, now I'm not that kind of people who are making videos about eBay dropshipping and themselves they don't do the business. Okay, they are not doing eBay dropshipping, and they are showing you guys how you can do eBay dropshipping. As you can see here, guys, I'm doing dropshipping on this account. This is just one of my accounts. I have multiple eBay accounts with over 200 feedbacks. So this is just an account that I use for videos like this one. So as you can see here, guys, I am going to create a new account and show you guys how you can start dropshipping from CJ dropshipping to eBay step by step. Now, like I said, guys, all you have to do is you want to watch this video till the end, so that I am going to show you guys in this video step by step on how you can do that. Now, as you can see here, guys, what you need to do, guys, you want to search for CJ dropshipping so that we can connect CJ to eBay, so that we can start importing products and we can start the business. We can start doing dropshipping on eBay using CJ dropshipping. Now, if you don't have an account on CJ, what you guys need to do, you want to create an account. I'm going to log out of this account and show you guys how you can create an account if you don't have it. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, in the top it says here register or sign in. Now, if you don't have an account, you want to click on register. If you have it, you want to click on sign in, and you just need to register using Google or Facebook or whatever you like. So I'm going to log in using my Google because I already have an account on CJ dropshipping. So as you can see, guys, I have created a CJ dropshipping account. Now, as you can see, you can the beauty of CJ dropshipping is the shipping time. As you can see, 3 to 7 days, and CJ packet fast ordinary 4 to 9 days. Now, I'm doing dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. If you want to start dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay, I have made a lot of videos about dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. But for today's video, we are going to use CJ dropshipping to dropship on eBay. So it's just created this new account, as you can see here. Now we can start right now. Now, after you create an account, guys, you want to click on authorization in the top right, and you want to click on eBay. Now, after you click on eBay, it will take you guys to this page where you can connect CJ to eBay. So as you can see, it says here you haven't authorized any stores yet. So what you guys need to do, you want to click on add store. And for you, because it's going to be your first time linking or connecting CJ to eBay, it will ask you guys, eBay will ask you guys if you want to give access to CJ or not. You want to scroll down and give access to eBay so that they can connect, eBay to CJ. Okay, now for me it says directly like authorization success because I already linked it. That's why it didn't, guys. eBay didn't ask me, guys, if I'm going to give access to CJ or not. So the beauty of CJ, it says here we source and ship for you. They can provide the tracking number, they can take the address of the customer from eBay, and you can ship the products automatically to the customer without you having to do anything. Okay, that's the beauty, guys, of CJ dropshipping. Now, the only thing you need to do, guys, is to find winning product. This is not, I'm not going to say like this is an easy business or something like that, like other YouTubers. They say like this is the easiest business you can do. It's the easiest business if you have some experience, if you have learned how you can find winning products, how you can deal with returns and cases and disputes on eBay. All these things are not hard. Like, they are just a normal. They are like every business owner have to go through this. Okay, so that's what I mean exactly. So as you can see here, guys, it says here authorization success. Now you want to click on list. Now you want to scroll down, and you can see here, guys, it says here you can list CJ products to your store. You want to click on list now, and here you want to find products that you want to list on your eBay store. By the way, you have to add your Pioneer account. You have to set up your eBay store. Like, you have to what I mean is you have to add your Pioneer account so that you can receive payments from eBay, and you have to add your credit card. You just need to set up your eBay seller account, okay, so that you can start selling. It's like the account has to be ready for selling, okay, before you can start listing products. Okay, you want to find a product here, for example this one, And then what you need to do, guys, you want to scroll down. As you can see, after you find a winning product, like finding a winning product is easy. All you have to do, guys, you want to find people that are selling the same product on eBay and see if it has some sales. Like if people are interested on that product on eBay, that means the product is successful, and you want to find it on CJ Dropshipping and list it on your eBay. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. Okay, you want to click on list, and then you want to click here where it says USA. You want to select USA, and here my ship my order to, you want to select United States, and then the CG packet sensitive. Okay, and then you want to select here your price, like the price that you are going to sell this on eBay. So the total dropshipping cost is going to be $28, and the service fee is $1, the shipping fee is $10, the CG price, which is the price of the product, is going to be $16. Now the total dropshipping cost is $28. Now you want to increase the price because you want to make some profit. So for me, I'm going to increase it to $39, so that I can make $7 profit. Okay, now you want to click on list it now. Make sure you select here the quantity. I'm going to select the quantity. The quantity is always going to be 3, and then click on list it now. Now it's not going to allow me to list the product because I didn't set up this account. I didn't add the Pioneer account to this eBay account. That's why it doesn't allow me, guys, to list products. As you can see, it says here sold payments, and you can list this item. We need some additional information to create seller's account. The quantity for the variations will be used for the listing quantity. Like I said, you just need to add your Pioneer, your credit card to eBay so that you can start selling. Okay. Okay, guys, so what you guys need to do, like I said, is to find unique products. You just need to find products that people are interested in on eBay, and you want to search for these products on CJ Dropshipping. Okay, that's it. So what you need to do, guys, now is to click the video in the screen so that you can learn exactly how you can do this step by step. You want to click the video in the screen and drop a like on this video, and see you guys in the next. If you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys next video.